In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then to mute the music, hit consent and tap at the bottom left corner. Following that, click on this gear at the top left one. Manage all of those options however you wish to, and when you finished, click at the top right corner. Then bottom right corner, set as live wallpaper, yes, set wallpaper, and one of those options, home screen or home screen and lock screen. So when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!